event, this project of APPC, together with the Ninoy and Cory Aquino Foundation and with the other sponsors, nagkasama-sama tayo para magtulungan tayong to reach out to the younger generations, because these generations will be the one to let their other generations know what really happened in our history.
Nag-volunteer po kami as a storyteller. Masaya kami na nag-share kasi nalaman nila yung kwento at importanteng malaman ng mga bata kung ano talaga yung totoong nangyari sa lipunan at kung anong kabayanihan at kadakilaan ang ginawa ng mag-asawang Aquino para sa bansang Pilipinas.
Thank you, Tita Cory. Binigyan niyo po ng karapatang maging malaya. Masaya pong maging malaya.
Natutuhan ko po lahat ng bata nagkaroon ng pangarap at mapaunlad ang kanilang buhay.
For us, importanteng malaman nila yung totoong nangyari at hindi haka-haka lamang. Importanteng malaman natin yung nakaraan para hindi masayang yung buhay ng mga nawala, para hindi masayang yung mga pinaglaban nila.
From one person, you can follow, you can do things. And si Ninoy at saka si Cory, yun ang ginawa nila. They did a lot of sacrifice. And the children, as they grow old, they would have to remember that sometimes you need to do a little sacrifice for the country, for other people.